Hey guys, Carolina Gun Guy here. So I have a box of size 6 birdshot, and I thought to myself, why don't we go ahead and open this up, get all the gunpowder out of it, and then light it on fire and see what happens. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Stick around, we'll have some fun. Okay, took some work, but I got it done. It's all separated. We have the steel shot, kind of heavy, and we have the powder from 25 birdshot shells waiting to be lit up. When empty, I checked it out, this bowl weighs 475 grams. So let's see how much powder we have. 508, so we have about 33 grams of powder. Let's get outside and light it up. So as I showed you earlier, we have about an ounce of powder in there. I'm going to light a match, drop it in there, and watch it ignite. As always, safety should be your #1 priority. I have safety glasses for me and a fire extinguisher just in case. It's been pretty wet here lately in North Carolina, but I have cleared the ground around the area, so we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and watch this little fireball happen. That was cool. Let's do it one more time, even slower this time. I like how the matchstick here gets flung up in the air and all the little bits of gunpowder just flying around. Now that was fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time, and God bless.